So now we will discuss that how can it be demonstrated that ascent of sap takes place through xylem vessels. Okay, so what's the aim? To demonstrate conduction of water or ascent of sap through xylem vessels. So for that, materials required are a conical flask or beaker, then red ink or euxin solution, a twig with white flowers of petunia, balsam or vinca plant, right? Then the procedure is: take a beaker or conical flask filled with water and pour a few drops of euxin solution or red ink in it, right? Then place the twig with white flowers in conical flask. Then you have to leave the setup undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours, right? Then you will observe the color of veins in flowers and leaves. So now cut the stem of the twig lengthwise or vertically and observe what portion of the stem has become colored, and similarly cut widthwise or transverse section of this stem and one of leaves, mount on a clean slide and observe under the microscope. So from these images you can see that this is the leaf transverse section and this is the xylem tissue stained red and other tissue that are not stained, and in this image also you can see this is the stem transverse section in this stained red, that is the xylem tissue, and another tissue that is not stained, right? And this is the longitudinal section of the stem. So in this you can see xylem tissue that is the stained red and it can be observed under the microscope. Okay, so what is the observation now? Only the xylem vessels are colored in both the sections of stem of twig, right? Veins in petals of flowers and veins of leaves have become red. So what's the conclusion now? Ascent of sap or upward conduction of water and minerals occurs through xylem vessels only.